Good morning, everyone. Like I said, this channel is going to be about a little bit of everything. This morning, I want to show you the stuff that I bought for my chocolate business. And so that's my fondue pot. Those are my labels. I actually bought 2 pots. So this is the one that I've opened so far. And I'll be showing you when I start actually making the chocolate bars. I got this from Amazon. And then there's the chocolate molds. And then it comes with these little colorful sticks to stir it. And you could label each stick for different things when you start making your stuff. It comes with a dropper. And that's what the labels look like. So I bought all these molds, and I have this one that I got from the dollar store. I'm going to start my chocolate business, Kebar chocolate bar. So this is my first video concerning starting my chocolate bar business. And stay tuned, share, like, and subscribe. That way when I put up more videos, you could see stuff that I'm doing. And of course, I'm still going to be talking about different topics with my life journey. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.